listening to a Bobby Johnson beat.
Yeah. Hey. Pop the trunk or open up. I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yay. Say, I'm a businessman and then my business damn. And I'ma bend her down, then I'ma lick her up. And then dig her down, she gon' turn around, then I'ma kick her out. She gon' talk that shit, but say, how you make it up? How you fake the love? Holy son, I'm with the chosen one. I'm sipping out the grass, she don't kiss the touch. Keep my wishes well, I don't need a well. Yeah, I'm my enemy, a friend of me. Why y'all feed off of my energy? Like I ain't dead, yeah, I an entity. Foreign bitches think she into me with the foreign very viciously. Why these dudes wanna take pics from me? She said she gay, but still into me. Said she gay, still into me. Said she hate that I'm ministry. And I said I hate that I'm ministry. I wanna blow up and make history. Said she hate my Insta feed. Zans don't make you, Zans gon' take you, Zans gon' fake you, Zans gon' betray you, Zans gon' make you, Zans gon' take you, Zans gon' fake you, Zans gon' betray you. And that pussy tastes like Skittles, what? Yeah, hey, you can't really taste the rainbow, what? I know, yo bitch just like a Crayola. What? Hey, you could draw her on the table, flip her like some Yola. Heart-shaped kisses, really miss my mistress. And the 666, evil bitches want my mentions. Zans don't make you, Zans gon' take you, Zans gon' fake